In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill text with an image in Canva, an amazing tool for all your design needs. So whether you're creating a stunning logo or an attention-grabbing poster, this technique can really set your design apart. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. It's one of the most popular design platforms out there and perfect for both beginners and professionals. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Login button on the top right corner. Click on it to access your Canva account. If you're not automatically directed to your projects, you'll need to click Continue to proceed, and then you'll select your preferred Google account from the list, making sure it's linked to Canva. Once you've logged in, find the project you're currently working on or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Next, you'll want to ensure that the image you want to use for your text fill is uploaded to Canva. You can do this by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and adding your image from your device. Now click on Apps, which is located on the same menu bar. Here you'll type in Font Frame in the search bar. Font Frame is a useful tool that allows you to fill text with an image seamlessly. Once it appears, click on Font Frame and then select the Font Frame icon to activate it. With the tool ready, choose the image you uploaded earlier by clicking Use Selected Image. This image will be the fill pattern for your text. Now it's time to add your text. Click on the Add Text box and type in the words you want to fill with the image. The text box can be resized and repositioned to suit your design. At this point, you can get creative with your fonts. Canva has a wide range of fonts to choose from, so feel free to experiment to find the perfect one that matches your design. Just remember, your selected image needs to complement the text style for the best effect. Additionally, Canva provides a preview image, which you can find at the top. It allows you to make adjustments to the image fill, ensuring it fits well within your text. When you're satisfied with your adjustments and text style, simply click Add to Design. This will incorporate your beautifully styled text into your Canva project. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully filled text with an image using Canva, using a simple yet highly effective technique that can greatly enhance your design projects. Remember to play around with different images and fonts to see what incredible designs you can create. Happy designing!